Hello everyone, there are some really exciting new features coming to Microsoft Edge. These are the top 5 features that I loved about the Microsoft Edge. Feature number 1, if you want the text to be read out aloud, just highlight the text and right click on it and click on Read Aloud selection.
Microsoft Edge is now available for all major desktop and mobile platforms.
We can even increase the speed. If we click on voice options over here on the top right hand corner, we can even increase the speed, decrease it, and we can even change the voice. If you want the text to be read in an immersive format, you can just highlight the text, right click on it and click on Open in Immersive Reader. It will open up the text in a new format, and this is great for reading. And over here you can either select the option to read aloud, or you can even have the preferences of your text size. You can increase the size, you can decrease it, you can have decrease the spacing or increase them. You can even change the theme. This is a really cool feature that they have included. And apart from this, there are grammar tools as well. You can split the words into syllables using this option over here. You can even highlight the parts of speech like noun. Here it highlights all the nouns, and if you don't want to see these labels, just uncheck this box. And and apart from this, there are reading preferences as well. Let's say you want to focus on one line, you check this box. And over here, these are 5 lines that are highlighted while you're reading. And if I scroll up and down, it will select the top, it will select the 5 lines. And if you want to change it, you can change to 3 lines or even 1 line as well. And the other good thing about this is that you can even translate the text. Let's say you want the text to be translated to French, you can select this option and check this box, and it will automatically translate the text for you. If you want to get the latest version of Microsoft Edge, I will put the link in the description and you can download it. The one that I'm using over here is the dev channel. The next cool feature is the collections feature. Collections feature is basically you can have a collection of websites or links or images or notes. So if you click on this plus sign which says collections, you will see this side menu over here. If you just click on start new collection, you can name your collection, and you can either select the current page and it will put up the link over here. Let's say you like this image and you want to be added to your collection, it would be over here. At the same time, let's say if you want this text to be added to your collection, you can add that as well. And apart from this, you can even write down the notes about let's say you did some research on a specific technology or something. Just name your research or put your notes over here, yeah, you can even customize it over here. And the good thing about this is you can even share it to Excel, OneNote, and to Word. You can even send it to Pinterest. The next cool feature is the web capture feature. If you click on the 3 dots on the top right hand corner, you will see the web capture feature over here. You can even bring that feature over here on this menu. The way you can do that, just click on those 3 dots and click on settings. And once you are in the settings, click on appearance. And over here you can select the options which you want to have as your favorites on this bar over here. You can even have favorites, you can have the collections button, you can have the web capture button. So I have selected that option, that's why I have this option over here. The way how it works is let's say you want to capture this, you can just click on this web capture tool and click on free select and just hold and drag this box, and you can either copy it and you can paste this image anywhere you want. So the best thing about this is that you don't need to open another application like Snippet or any other application to take a screenshot while you're working on the web browser. This is the amazing thing about these updates, that it improves the productivity in a much better way. All the small add-ons are right there inside your browser. You don't need to go outside your browser to access them. The next cool feature is the PDF read aloud feature. If you have a PDF and you have opened up in the browser itself, just highlight the text, and over here on the top just click on read aloud.
Organizations that grow. Jim Collins set out to discover what made some companies move from being good to being great. What was it that allowed them to make the leap to greatness and stay there?
So this is an amazing feature right within Microsoft Edge, that you can read the text aloud. The last feature that I love about the new updates that Microsoft has released is the tracking prevention feature. If you click on the three dots and if you click on settings, and if you go to privacy, search and services bar over here, you can select from three options. The best one is the strict option. If you want to block the majority of the trackers from all sites, this would be the best option. So this is an amazing feature nowadays, that websites use trackers to collect the information about your browsing. So this is a really helpful feature. Yeah, so these were the top 5 features that I loved about the December update that Microsoft has released for the browser. Let me know which feature you like the most and why. If you like these kind of helpful videos, please do subscribe, like, and please do click the bell notifications icon so that you get the updates instantly whenever I upload the videos, as I upload them every week. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, guys.